So this TV wouldn't turn on. I got a red light, and but it wouldn't turn on. And then later on, I didn't get a red light anymore. So I'm guessing it's this power board here. I'm gonna replace it. I've already pulled this out from here. So I don't know how to take out just yet. So I'm gonna get that out. And then I'm gonna swap it out and see if that's the culprit. That's what I think it is, but we'll see. Now my TV is really old Samsung. So I went to eBay for the parts, and I came across someone who had all three things: the power supply, the T-Con, and the main board for the price of basically a power board. So I'm like, yes, what a score. So I'm gonna start with the power board, of course, because that's what I think it is. But I didn't test anything with a multimeter. It's just a guess. I didn't see any bubbled capacitors either or anything, but I still think it's that. And I also got like a power button. I mean, man, what a good deal. This cost me like 40 bucks. And this is what I am going to swap out. I made sure that I got the right one, which was this, and lined it up. This is what I am going to swap out. So the old board, I don't know what it originally looked like inside the TV, but I do notice just a lot of darkness going on. Whereas with this new board, there isn't any. So hopefully this is the fix. I usually like to clean the connections with 91% alcohol before replacing. So I'll do that. And then it'll just be about putting in the 5 screws I removed here and there. And then just plugging these back in. It's really not rocket science. And then, you know, put the cap back on and the back on and the screws. So we'll see. So I've just plugged it in and we've got power. So it looks like it was the power. We're gonna turn it over and see what we've got. And check that out, guys. We've got power. We've got power, yay! So it's just the power supply. And now I've got all these extra parts just in case for the future. I love it. So basically this fix cost me $36.98 when you include tax. So under 40 bucks. It was 2 clips. This one was a little bit harder for me because I didn't know how it came out, but you simply just pinch the back here and pull. It was just that it's been there so long that it was harder to get out. So basically 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 clips. And that fixed the power problem. And now it's just to put on the back and put the screws in. That's it. And just to make sure everybody knows, I unplugged the TV, and it had been unplugged for a long, long time before I even started working on this. So definitely unplug the TV, okay? All right, so here's the TV, and as you can see, the power is on, and it was a quick, easy fix. Remove the screws from the back, remove the screws from the power supply, disconnect 2 clips, replace the power supply, put the screws back, put the clips back, put the back of the TV back on, screw it in, and you're all done.